This is the Australian National University Library.
And this video will explain what is grey literature. You may have heard your lecturers or tutors referring to something called grey literature, which by name alone does not give you much idea about what it actually means. This video will define grey literature and show why you would want to use it in your research. Grey literature is basically any research that has not been published within the usual channels of academic distribution. It has not been through the process of peer review, the way academic articles usually are. But that does not mean it is not valuable research, or that you should not use it in your assessments and research. It just means you need to evaluate the sources accordingly. What sort of things are included in grey literature? Grey literature can include sources such as government reports, conference proceedings, dissertations, technical standards, policy statements, and interviews. There is a lot of great information that can be gathered from the use of grey literature. For example, if you are doing research on the UN Sustainable Development Goals, you might be looking at the UN's proceedings and table discussions about the goals, the UN 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, or the Sustainable Development Goals documentation itself. All of this falls under the category of grey literature. It is worth remembering that grey literature is rarely included in the ANU libraries or any scholarly libraries databases, which tend to focus on academic research. If you are looking for grey literature, you may need to venture out and use Google and Google Scholar to find it. Not sure how to get the most out of searching Google? Check out our 2 videos, How Search Engines Work and How to Google Like a Librarian.
Looking for more resources on researching, writing, and using the library? We have an amazing collection of online materials and guides available through the ANU Library website, as well as workshops and videos. Having trouble? The ANU Library is here to help. If in doubt, reach out to our friendly staff at the desk or on chat.